So guys, good evening. We are going to learn about the data types which is uses by the SQL to contain the data. So I am creating a new slide, and guys, we are here learning about data types. Why are this text is angled? I think it will not create an angle this now. Oh, this is going. Oh, that's not the problem. Yeah. So we are learning more about data types. So what is data types? In SQL we are going to create, Mr. Deepak, in SQL we are going to create tables. So this type of table will be there. So what I am saying? I am saying in this table I will, let's say I am making a column of this table. First column named ID. Second, there is a name. Third, there is a salary of these persons. Third is we can say again we can use date of joining. Let's say date of joining. So we have JOINING. Okay, let's say we should write is this, yeah. So date of joining. What I am saying in ID, I can say in ID there will be always a alpha not alpha. We can say in ID there will always a ID of every employee will in integer format. So I can define this column that in this column the values, those values will be covered, those are integer. If someone is writing his ID, let's say SP212, so it will not, software will not accept this. Okay, because this is not integer value. Person should have to write only integer value, then it will come. Name, in name can be in character format. Okay, CHAR, name can be in character format. So if someone want to put integer in the column of name, then the software will not accept it. Okay, so what we are saying, we will define the data set or data type of the particular column. So the same data type value will be imported in this column. Okay, we are define the third column salary, so we will put the data type of this integer. Why integer? INT. This is INT. Why integer? Because integer, if someone's salary is 20,000, then no one can type this type. He is writing 20,000 or this. He will have to write in integer format. Okay, so because we have defined that. And date of joining, in date of joining, a person can only put a date, nothing than that. He cannot put month, he cannot put only day. He will have to put complete date, that 25th November 2023. Then if we are writing this rate, so only this types of value can come in this last column. So why this is happening? Because we have defined the data types before inserting the data in the columns. So guys, now in this next slide we are going to learn about commonly used data types in SQL. Okay, so I am writing here COMMONLY, commonly used data types in SQL. So guys, I am writing here the data types value. So first of all, in SQL we are learning about, we are going to use more about integer. So what is integer? Integer is a value if I am writing something like the numbers, the whole numbers. So I will use integers. Okay, so for integer value, if I want to take integer only in a column, then I can define the data type of that column as an integer. So for integer value, I will define the data set or data column, data type is integer. Okay, okay Deepak. If I want to take float numbers, then I can define as float. Okay, FLOAT, float for float. Then if I want to get the true false type information, true false type, let's say if I am writing this person is above 60 years or not. Okay, I am typing, so what will I write in that column? Yes and no, yes and no, yes and no. So these are Boolean values. Boolean values means true and false. If I am taking this type of value, then this will be the called bool data type. So these are boolean values. After that, characters. If I am, I can also define character as the data type. So what is character? Character contains numbers, letters, and special characters. Okay, so characters, numbers, and special characters I can use. Why? If I define the data type as character, scar. Next one is this is I think date. Yeah, date is there. So what is date? Again, in previous slide I have told you in here I can also define the date as a data type. So what will happen? It will only take date as input. Okay. Then in the let's say one more example, date will be taken as input or date will be taken in input column, but understand this, it will be taken in this format: y, year, month and dd. So this will be the format, and there will also format is date time. Guys, what is the date time? Date time, the SQL puts the date and time with within the value, within the cell. Like this is the combination of date and time. How? What is the format of this? This is y. Then this is and this is dd, and there will be a space. Then then and then guys seconds ss. So this will be format will be in date and time. Okay, so these are the major factors, major commonly used data types in SQL. Guys, if you are facing any problem by learning these topics, then you can ask those questions in comments. Otherwise we will learn all these things in upcoming sessions, where we will do practicals on the MySQL software. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Guys, thank you.